Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Sean. This is UCM Pigs, and today it is a beautiful Friday, and I am in Tazwell, Virginia. I'm here for VAMM 25, and we're gonna go ride one of the famous roads here before everybody else joins us. So before we get started, let me remind you to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always on my channel, if you don't feel like typing words, just leave me an emoji. Let me know you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. So let's walk over here and see who all we have over here. Over here, Ben from Bikes, Beards, and Brews. He came down from Massachusetts. And Angela, Mrs. McStash. Over my shoulder here, Mr. McBeard, Mustache, right there. And Motor Ramblings. So we're gonna run the Dragon. We're gonna run the back of the Dragon early this morning, and I'm gonna get some footage of that, and I'll check in with you guys in a little. All right, y'all, we are starting the back of the Dragon. So Ben's first time on the back of the Dragon, so we'll see what he thinks of that. I don't have my cardo set up where we could get his reaction, but I'm sure it would be, you know, expletive, just knowing Ben. So this is the start. We'll kick back in here in a little bit and get some more footage, maybe some 360 while we're out doing the Dragon.
Every curve another guess. I'm running out of road. I'm running out of road. I'm running out of road. 32 miles to go. I'm running out of road. Mountain swallows me. Each bed pulls me deeper in. I count them as they come. 428 cents. Every mile feels like a test. Every curve another guess. I'm running out of road. 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 32 miles to go.
And here comes everyone else. Doyle had to be different. All right, y'all, so we made it down to Hungry Mother State Park on the back of the Dragon. Ben's first run, was listening to him in my cardo while he was recording his video. He seemed to really enjoy this ride. So Hungry Mother, they pulled off back there. We came on down, so they just showed up. We're gonna hang out here. We're gonna run it the other direction and then go down to Tazwell, meet up with the rest of the group.
Tazwell in my mirror, getting smaller now. The back of the Dragon calls, but I don't know how. I've lost count of the turns, each one bleeds into the next. My fuel gauge reads empty, like everything else I've left. Every mile feels like a test. Every curve another guess.
All right, y'all, so we joined up with a group. I don't think I've cut in here yet. Met up at the Hardee's. We're a little late, so thanks to everybody for waiting up for us, but we were on the Dragon, so we met up with the rest of the group. We're at this Amish store out here in Tazwell County, somewhere in the mountains. Almost zero cell coverage. So I'm gonna go in here, check it out. I've already ate a sandwich, and I didn't take a picture and show you, but it was a ginormous sandwich, probably one of the top 5 sandwiches I've ever had. So let's go in here and check out this Amish store, and we'll see what else we get.
I'm running out of road. I'm running out of road. 32 miles to go. I'm running out of road. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm running out of road.
All right, y'all, so we just left the Amish store, and like I said, fantastic sandwich. You can kind of see here the line of bikes in front of me and a scooter in front of Ben. That we've got a pretty good crowd, probably say about 50 or so motorcycles. So it's a pretty decent crowd, some faces, some new faces, some old faces. It's always a good time to get together with old friends and make new ones. Like I said before, this is my most favorite part of doing this motorcycle content creation, is the people that I meet while doing it. Yeah, look, take a look up there at the line of bikes ahead of us. This is a pretty good turnout for VAMM 25. So we're heading over. I think I talked Mr. G into doing Big Walker Lookout. That's one of my favorite rides. Again, I got my friend Ben here in front of me from Bikes, Beards, and Brews. This is his full day here. Tomorrow he's heading home. And you know, when you have somebody that you're riding with and you kind of have a little something to do with them coming, he's always wanted to come, and I kind of inched him along. You want to show him a good time, and that's what I'm hoping is he can see the Big Walker Lookout. So far, he seems to be impressed. Go check out his videos on his VAMM trip as well, and you can get his reaction. So I'm going to shut this off here. We'll do maybe a little B-roll when the roads get a little more interesting, and I'll talk to you guys when we get to Big Walker.
Rolling through the hills where the black snake bends. Throttle twisted tight, can't pretend. Something's calling from the cracked concrete. Blood and blacktop beneath my feet. Climbing higher, higher still. Chase the curve, chase the kill. On the track, it's back, alright. Breaking bolt and burning pride. Thunder roars through every turn. Never learn. Gravel spits as sparks fly free. This machine's the death of me. Tail of the beast whips left and right. Carving guts through.
All right, y'all, so we're at the
light.
Big Walker Lookout at the general store on top, and probably one of my favorite rides up here, Big Walker. We came up the backside. I'm assuming we're gonna go down the front. I'd much rather come up the front of the mountain from Whitful, but it's awesome. It's an awesome ride up here. So I'll show you around the store here. We'll pan around up here, look at people coming down the tower, and check out the country store here at Big Walker Lookout.
Down the dusty road, an engine's humming low. Freedom's calling me. Chrome beneath the sun, 2 wheels and I'm gone. Past the fields of green, where the simple life cuts through all the noise like a blade so clean. Simple pleasures, simple ways in these complicated days. Simple pleasures, simple ways That's all I need. Simple pleasure, simple ways. Simple pleasure, simple ways. Black hat, weathered hands, behind the counter stands, selling what he's made. Fresh bread, homemade treats, sugar for the sweet, in the quiet shade. Simple pleasure, simple ways, in these complicated days. Simple pleasure, simple ways, that's all I need. Simple pleasure, simple ways. Simple pleasure, simple ways.
All right, y'all, so we just left the Big Walker Lookout. Mr. G is going to take us to another lookout over near Bluefield, West Virginia. And from there, I think the group's going to make its way back to Tazwell. Ben's wanting to hit up some Harley dealerships, so Cole Harley Davidson will be right off of US 460. So I think we're going to jump off and go into Princeton, West Virginia, I think is the town, and Cole Harley Davidson there. It's a really cool Cole town, not spelled the same. It's Cole, C-O-L-E, Harley Davidson, not the, but it is a Cole town, C-O-A-L. Anyway, so yeah, so that's it for now. Just wanted to check in. I'll check back in when we stop and we see something interesting.
All right, y'all, so we are here at I don't even know the name of this lookout. Let's go over here and take a look at the name of the sign. We're right on the border of West Virginia. I'm guessing West Virginia's over here, but let me put this over my shoulder so you guys can see. Look at there.
These people want to think everybody video on here.
Look at that. Look at that beautiful view. That's West Virginia that way.
The world gets heavy and my soul feels empty. I know where to go, where the pace is steady and my heart feels ready for the peace I know. Wrapper crinkles soft, taste that lifts me up. Small things matter most. Two worlds collide here, modern meets sincere. That's what I love most. Simple pleasure, simple ways, in these complicated days. Simple pleasure, simple ways, that's all I need. Simple pleasure, simple ways. Simple pleasure, simple ways.
All right, y'all, so that was day one of VAMM 25. I don't know what this video is going to be like. I did a lot of B-roll. I tried to check in at all of our stops. It was a full day. Let me look here. 221 miles all over Tazwell County. Big shout out to Mr. G for hosting this. Showed us a really good time. Big thanks to my buddy Ben from Bikes, Beards, and Brews. If you notice, I'm riding solo. Ben already went back to the hotel. He's shutting it down. He's getting up super early tomorrow to make his way back up to Massachusetts. So I'm going to be here for day two, and big plans tomorrow. Another full day of riding. We're going to be doing the Head of the Dragon. And a little surprise with that, I'm going to be making a major milestone when I complete the Head of the Dragon. That's the last piece of the dragon that I need to become an actual dragon master. So we'll make another video about that. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. Fantastic day. It's 7:45 in the evening. Yeah, I'm squidding. I've got my short sleeves on. It's just been we got some rain earlier. Everything's a little damp. And I just got a short ride back to the hotel. So I'm gonna enjoy some breeze in my shirt sleeves. And that's it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And until we talk again, you guys be careful. You guys be safe. always keep your shiny side up. And we'll talk to you next time.
Simple way. Down the dusty road, engines humming low, simple pleasure call.